channel. Today I wanted to do a quick cook with me, and today I will be sharing one of my favorite recipes with you guys. It's a chicken enchilada chili. It's super good and really easy and quick using the COSORI pressure cooker. COSORI did send this to me, but I have to say guys, I really freaking love it, and I wouldn't share it with you guys if I didn't love it. I will say I have used an Instant Pot before, and this is just as comparable, if not better in my opinion. They sent me the 6-quart one, and I am absolutely in love with it. So I will link down below where you can purchase this on Amazon.com, as well as a Facebook group if you do purchase it, on where you can find lots of delicious recipes. So if you want those, they're linked right down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already chopped everything up for you guys, so this should go by really quick. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the very first thing we're gonna wanna do is turn it to saute, and then we're going to want to press start, and that's going to heat it up. And while that's heating up, we're just gonna wanna take some extra virgin olive oil and just put a little bit in the pot. You can hear it already heating up. And we're gonna take 1 whole green bell pepper, half an onion, and probably 4 mushrooms, and add that to the pot. You don't have to add mushrooms if you don't like them. I just like mushrooms and like to add vitamin D where I can get it. And then you're also gonna wanna add about 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And this did get hot really fast, which is really nice. It smells super good. While that's browning, you're just going to want to cut up 2 whole chicken breasts. Okay, and after that's browned, you're just gonna wanna go ahead and add in your chopped up chicken breast. You may need to add a tiny bit more olive oil if you notice your chicken is really sticking. After the chicken is all cooked, you can turn off the saute function. You'll see how hot that gets. It is really nice and convenient to be able to do that and not have to dirty up 2 pans when you need to brown some of your ingredients. All right, now once your chicken is all nice and browned and cooked through, you're going to want to add 1 large can of red enchilada sauce. This one is 28 ounces from Aldi. This is going to be the base of our chili, hence chicken enchilada chili. After that, you're going to want to add 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, and then 1 4 ounce can of green chilies, and then 1 drained and rinsed can of black beans. Once you've done that, you're going to want to give it a good stir. And you can add corn if you want. This time, I don't think I'm going to though. You're then gonna wanna add about 2 tablespoons of chili powder. This is what makes it taste like chili. And then you're going to wanna add a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes to taste, however many you want. This just gives it some spice. And about 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. I don't measure these things out, I kind of just throw them in, hope for the best. Then you're gonna wanna stir that all in. And then you'll add about a tablespoon of cornstarch. This just gives it some nice corn flavor and makes it a little thicker. You can make that into a slurry if you want, but you don't have to. I'm feeling lazy today, so I'm not going to. And that's it. Now we're going to want to place our lid back on. Make sure it sings the song. Then you're gonna wanna make sure that this is on the locked portion. You have a venting and a lock, and that will allow the pressure to build. After that, you're just gonna wanna hit the beans or chili function and then press start. When you see this function, it is building pressure. Once pressure is built, you will start to see the 11-minute countdown. And then once it beeps, we will release the pressure. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, now it is done after it built pressure and it cooked for 11 minutes, and then you'll see it goes to a keep warm status. So if you had meat in here, you could let the pressure release naturally, and it will keep the pot warm while it does that. So For soups and stuff, you don't need to let it naturally release the pressure. So I'm just going to take an oven mitt because I'm paranoid, and you'll know when all of the pressure in the pot is gone because this little red thing here will go down, and when that goes down, that's when you know it's safe to open. So it's gone down now and it's safe to open. Okay, and then once it's done, here's what it looks like. It's nice and thick and yummy. So I'll go ahead and plate this up and then just add a little bit of cheese and maybe sour cream on top. Okay guys, here's what it looks like all plated up. It's super yummy, like I said, and delicious. We're out of sour cream, or I would have added that, so I just added a little cheese on top. Again, I will link the COSORI pressure cooker down below so you guys can check it out. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, try it out. Make sure and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. And if you like these type of videos, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you here. I do lots of cooking videos here and there, and I will link the playlist down below. So if you're needing more recipe ideas, you can check that playlist out. And that's it for today, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.